Hey guys, it's Priscilla. I'm sorry you guys are looking at the floor, but that's because my phone doesn't have one of those where you can rotate from front to back rear camera. But I wanted to show you guys the sky, so that's why you guys are in the back. I am outside, so the lighting isn't that good. It's really dark outside. I have Vinny here.
Hi.
And then
Onyx.
But let me show you this guy, and you guys can have a little what do we call this? A lightning show. A lightning show.
Yeah, lightning show.
So let's go ahead. Let's see if we can capture it on camera here. Oh, can't see anything.
Wait. Oh, did you get that?
Nope.
Probably it's because it's too dark over there. Maybe you gotta get closer.
Yeah, my camera. Oh, there you go. Ooh, did you see that?
Yeah. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Wait.
Let's see. I'm gonna zoom back out so let's see if we can capture it again. Oops, that was my hand. Sorry.
Oopsie. Ooh.
So, like, this is where we need the music playing, but I'm sorry. Again, I'm on my phone, and I'm not editing because I don't have a laptop. I'm a very, very bad vlogger. I'm sorry. So. But I was just outside doing the laundry and I saw this and I was like, oh my goodness, this is very pretty. As long as it stays over there, of course.
Well, like, wait, Onyx was like, when I was like, ooh, ah, and his ears perked up, like,
Perked up?
Yeah, like, what are you doing? It's cool, but
Whoa.
Ow. What's your problem? What's your problem?
So, yeah. I thought it was pretty. I thought maybe you guys would enjoy too. So, I hope you guys have a wonderful night. And we'll see you all next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share our channel, and comment below, bam bam. And the next video you could have a shout out. Bye.